Buffett said, Vechain will cost $10. Vechain price and prediction. Nowadays, many are arguing which of the cryptocurrencies has a greater potential for growth. Increasingly, there are thoughts that the supporters of Vechain will emerge victorious from this struggle. Welcome to the Finance App channel. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. What do you think will be the maximum price for Vechain in 2021? Write the answers in the comments. In this video we will look at such questions. Will Vechain be able to break through the $1 level? We will find out the current price Vechain. Consider the forecasts of analysts on this issue. The price of Vechain is in an uptrend, increasing by 82% from $0.08255 on September 30th to a maximum of $0.15086 on October 25th. During this rally, the VET price marked an ascending parallel channel chart on the daily chart. This chart is formed when an asset makes a series of higher highs and higher lows over a long period of time. Recently, the price of Vechain has been inexorably rising. Now we will look at the price chart for the last month and find out the current price for today. The live Vechain price today is $0.139327 United States dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of $584 million United States dollars. We update your way to USD price in real time. Vechain is down 0.18% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 23, with a live market cap of $8,960 million United States dollars. Trader Justin Bennett is confident that the Vechain token has the potential to grow to $3 next winter. Bennett claims that the rapid growth of altcoin will occur if Bitcoin continues to rise in price and updates the historical maximum above $65,000. If this happens in December of this year, the price of Vechain will rise to $1.60, the trader claims. The active growth phase of Vechain against the background of updating the maximum by Bitcoin will last until March next year, the analyst believes. In his opinion, during this period, the token is able to rise in price to $2. On October 14th, Vechain is trading at 12 cents. Over the past day, the token has risen in price by 15%, and its capitalization has increased to $8 billion. Vechain is a blockchain platform for working with smart contracts, which is focused mainly on business applications, namely supply chains. Vechain is on the move with gains of 10.3% and 51.4% on the daily and monthly charts, respectively. As of press time, the cryptocurrency is trading at 13 cents and may strengthen further due to recent events. With the opening of the Bitcoin season, the first cryptocurrency by market capitalization began to receive liquidity from the altcoin market. In this sense, Vechain could find a bottom in its VET BTC trading pair with critical support at 0.123, as Bennett explained. At the time, Bennett said, the VET's breakthrough is coming soon. Many complain about the lack of movement. What they don't see is that it's all just consolidation. The longer the spiral, the bigger the breakthrough. 187 days of consolidation and counting. Yesterday, Vechain started a trial run, the analyst said. This may lead the cryptocurrency to a bullish trend, but it may face some obstacles if Bitcoin does not work over the weekend. Vechain has combined major partnerships around the world, especially in Asia. The platform appears to be part of China's national blockchain plan, as evidenced by its appearance in state media. According to the Vechain Foundation, they were awarded the certificate of the Chinese Association for Standardization, an institution operating under the State Council. The award was awarded to the company for significant contribution to the development of the TCAS 493-2021 standard for household electrical equipment. This demonstrates the deep ties of the Vechain Foundation with the Chinese government and its potential to become more relevant in the coming years. Bennett noted the importance of expanding Vechain in the business world in cooperation with the American giant Walmart and recently DHL to enter the market of non-exchangeable tokens. The analyst said about VET's potential to work hotter than Ethereum. VETETH supports the idea that #VET will end this cycle with another period of performance improvement that will begin in the next few weeks. In the coming months, the worst-case scenario for VET owners could still bring them big profits, as Bennett expects the cryptocurrency to cross its April trendline. During this period, Vet could trade at $1, which was due to the FOMO effect caused by Bitcoin and Ethereum reaching a new all-time high. Vechain, an alt worth less than $1, has been attracting a lot of attention lately. The 24th rank coin, based on market capitalization, was able to bring its investors more than 15% profit only in the last 7 days. However, the last 24 hours have been quite gloomy for Vet, as it has lost almost 2% of its value. This price reaction followed Vechain's latest announcement to upgrade its main network. Less than a day ago, the Vechain Foundation announced that most of its stakeholders had agreed to implement the first phase of POA 2.0 in the main Vechain Thor network. In his tweet, he noted, however, the aforementioned announcement did not cause an immediate positive reaction on the price charts. Despite the same, it is interesting that the indicators focused on the price of the token, at the time of writing, seem to paint a bullish picture. Let's start with the fact that the volatility of the alt is growing. The Masari data showed that this indicator increased by almost 1.5 times compared to the August lows. Despite the fact that volatility is a double-edged sword and can provoke price fluctuations in any direction, it should be noted that the Vet price was able to develop better in more unstable conditions. In addition, within 1 month, even the risk-adjusted alt return ratio changed its course. At the time of writing, the same had a positive value of 1.05. This indicated that investors were making a pretty decent profit for the risk they were taking, a healthy sign. Well, social sentiment is quite an important tool to help assess the position of market participants. Many altcoins from the market have jumped in the recent past due to positive sentiment. Think about it. For the week ending October 15th, altos such as Cake, Waves and EGLD showed good results in terms of sentiment. In fact, they occupied first, second and third places in the sentiment leaderboard of Centifeed. During the aforementioned week and approximately this week, all altos attracted their investors with a yield of more or less 15%. Thus, the above data indicate the influence of social noise on the prices of cryptocurrencies. In general, the same factor can be very useful for a veterinarian. Vet was on a bullish trajectory, noting 4.10% and 11.14% gains on its daily and weekly charts, respectively. As of press time, the digital currency traded at a notable 6-week high at $0.13827 at its resistance point. The immediate support stood at $0.11767. Bullish trendlines and key technicals indicated an inclination for the bulls in the near term. The relative strength index stood near the overbought mark, visibly indicating the superior bullish strength. Do you think Vechain will be able to break through the $1 level? Write the answers in the comments. For today I'm saying goodbye to you. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you liked it, then please like and subscribe to the channel.